Get ready for Topps Unrivaled Football, featuring 3 hits per box, 2 rookie autograph cards, 1 patch autograph card. It's a 150 beautiful base card set featuring 50 sequentially numbered rookies. Relic cards include all-time greatness. Triple relics showcase amazing combinations. Unrivaled rookie autograph cards are gonna be unrivaled. Unbelievable autograph patch cards.
I don't believe them.
Dual rookie autograph cards are gonna wow ya.
Wow.
Check out that dual jumbo patch autograph card. Those are some 6 sigs on that 6 sigs autograph rookie card. Now let's take a look at what has already been pulled in Topps Unrivaled Football. What's this? Unsurpassed rookie auto patch? Wow, so sweet. Superstar auto patches, jumbo patches. Wow, oh man, that's ridiculous. Talking maximum patch, lethal, including rookies. That is sweet. Ridiculous Reebok logo patches, max patch. 101's always fun. One-of-a-kind Adrian Peterson autograph stash patch. Dual, triple, quad booklet autographs. Oh yeah. An outrageous dual jumbo patch rookie autograph card. Oh yeah. Lots of big hits still waiting to be found in Topps Unrivaled Football. So check out a local HCA card store near you and keep ripping.